Okay, let's go to our pool. Now, Wyatt. Let's go to our playground. Yay! Go check the deer. Bubby, come here. Come here. Come on, Bubby. Let's go to the field. Bubby. Come on. Let's go. Here. Wyatt and Auntie. We will play. See the flowers? All this yellow, the blooms. Those are called paintbrush. Bobby, come on, let's go. Come on. And there's our place. All around. Yay. Go get Bobby Bob. Come on, Bobby Bob. Okay. And this is where Wyatt and me are playing. So we have our chair in there. We have to sit down here and I tell them a story. So, come here. Find me. Woohoo. We will go round and round. See? And this will be go round and round. Don't chase me. Where is Wyatt? Where is Auntie? Here's my baby. That's our favorite place. See, I cleaned this up and cleared it so we can go round and round and go play round. Okay, I'll set up the camera right here.